Choosing sustainable, non-toxic cleaning products and materials is an essential step towards reducing the environmental impact of household cleaning while ensuring the safety and well-being of everyone in the home. Conventional cleaning products often contain a range of harmful chemicals that not only pose risks to human health but also contribute to environmental pollution. These chemicals can enter water systems through drainage, affecting marine life, or accumulate in the air and soil, disrupting ecosystems. By opting for sustainable, non-toxic alternatives, households can significantly reduce their ecological footprint and promote a healthier living environment. Sustainable cleaning products are those that are made from natural, renewable resources and do not rely on harmful chemicals or synthetic ingredients. These products are typically biodegradable, meaning they break down naturally and safely in the environment without leaving toxic residues. Many conventional cleaning products, on the other hand, contain ingredients such as chlorine, ammonia, and phosphates, which are difficult to break down and can cause long-term harm to ecosystems. Sustainable cleaning products, by contrast, often utilize plant-based ingredients, essential oils, and natural minerals, all of which are far gentler on both the environment and human health. Non-toxic cleaning materials are also safer for indoor air quality, as many conventional products release volatile organic compounds, VOCs, into the air. VOCs are chemicals that can evaporate at room temperature and, when inhaled, can lead to respiratory problems, headaches, and other health issues. Long-term exposure to VOCs has been linked to more serious conditions such as asthma and cancer. By choosing non-toxic cleaning products, households can avoid introducing these harmful chemicals into the air, ensuring better indoor air quality and a safer environment, especially for children, pets, or individuals with allergies or sensitivities. When selecting sustainable cleaning products, it is important to consider both the ingredients and the packaging. Many eco-friendly cleaning products are packaged in recyclable or biodegradable materials, reducing plastic waste and the overall environmental impact. Some companies also offer refillable options, allowing customers to reuse their original containers rather than buying new plastic bottles each time. This reduces the demand for single-use plastics and aligns with the principles of low-waste living. Additionally, opting for concentrated formulas or products in minimal packaging can further minimize waste. Another key factor in choosing sustainable cleaning products is understanding certification labels that indicate whether a product meets certain environmental and health standards. Labels such as organic, biodegradable, cruelty-free, and non-toxic can guide consumers in making informed choices. Certifications like the EU Ecolabel, Leaping Bunny, or Soil Association Organic Certification provide assurance that products have been independently tested and verified to meet strict environmental and ethical criteria. By seeking out products with these labels, consumers can support companies that prioritize sustainability and transparency in their production processes. In addition to buying sustainable cleaning products, there are several natural alternatives that can be used to create effective non-toxic cleaners at home. Ingredients such as vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils can be combined to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks without the need for synthetic chemicals. These natural ingredients are biodegradable and safe for the environment, while being just as effective at removing stains, grease, and dirt as many conventional products. Furthermore, homemade cleaning solutions often require fewer resources to produce, making them a more sustainable option overall. It is also worth considering the materials used in cleaning tools and equipment. Many conventional cleaning tools, such as sponges and brushes, are made from plastic or synthetic fibers that contribute to plastic waste and microplastic pollution. By opting for cleaning tools made from natural, biodegradable materials like bamboo, wood, or natural fibers such as cotton, households can further reduce their environmental impact. Reusable cloths made from organic cotton or recycled materials are an excellent alternative to disposable wipes, which often contain plastic and contribute to landfill waste. Similarly, Choosing biodegradable or compostable sponges helps to minimize the amount of plastic waste generated from cleaning routines. Sustainable cleaning is not just about the products used, but also about adopting habits that reduce resource consumption. For example, using cold water for cleaning tasks instead of hot water can help conserve energy, as heating water accounts for a significant portion of household energy use. Additionally, reducing the amount of product used, for example by diluting concentrated formulas or using the recommended amounts, can help minimize waste and ensure that cleaning products last longer. Another important aspect of choosing sustainable cleaning products is supporting brands that are committed to ethical and environmentally responsible practices. Many eco-friendly brands take a holistic approach to sustainability, considering not only the ingredients and packaging of their products, but also the environmental and social impact of their production processes. These companies may prioritize fair labor practices, reduce their carbon footprint through energy-efficient manufacturing, or support environmental conservation efforts. By choosing to support such companies, consumers can contribute to a wider shift towards sustainable and ethical business practices. In conclusion, choosing sustainable, non-toxic cleaning products and materials is an important part of reducing the environmental impact of everyday household activities. By avoiding harmful chemicals, supporting eco-friendly brands, and opting for natural alternatives, households can create a cleaner, safer living environment while contributing to broader efforts to protect the planet. Sustainable cleaning practices also offer a range of benefits for health, from improved air quality to reduced exposure to potentially harmful chemicals, making them a vital component of both low-waste living and long-term well-being.